Hey everybody, it's March 10th, 2017. This is right after non-farm payroll. I was actually trading gold, GC, because I saw a lot of volatility after non-farm. You can tell by the width of these activity lines. And price really popped up, and then it pulled back, formed some support here. So we had like kind of a double bottom, started moving up. Got this little swing here, internal V, felt the momentum, entered, and got a quick 20 ticks. I only went in with one contract. Again, I'm not really used to trading gold that much, but there's some things when you see that type of momentum, it makes sense. I like to trade a market that's moving. Pulled back and started seeing one of my setups here. Went back in, had a 20 tick target, but after it made this little pop through here, it kind of hesitates, and I ended up thinking it's not going to quite get to this target. And you can see I have a tick strike for GC that was really going well. So got 10 ticks on that last gold trade. Now here's crude oil. It had also popped up after non-farm and then started showing some reversal patterns. You can see it failed at 50.00. It's coming up, doing this little pattern of forming A's. I thought the setup looked pretty good. Jumped in. Had a 10-tick target. Now it doesn't go right to the target. You know, anytime you break through some of these magnets, a lot of times you got to let it, jump around. And I'm just going to forward here to tell you what I mean. See how it does this? Now a lot of traders see this. They're going to get pretty nervous. They're going to say, wow, this could reverse right now. I'm going to get stopped out, lose 10 ticks. I don't really worry about it. I got my stop above this swing here, and as long as price doesn't take this out, I'm in this downtrend, and I'm not too worried about it. And I just let it do its thing, which is a big difference. Right now, even a few months ago, I'd probably go, I don't like this, I'm getting out, break even. And nowadays, I'm more inclined to just sit it out. And it hits the 10 ticks. Okay, so things are going pretty well. I saw this other thing setting up later. You can see we've continued this move, pulled back to this magnet area, formed an A, and I took a little entry there. Had a 20 tick target. Now it's again starts looking like it's really moving down nicely. Got my stop only about 12 ticks there, and look what it does. It pops right back up very quickly. That was a very fast move up. In the old days I would have been nervous. I don't like it. It's moving up. Look, I've got a double bottom here. And now it's like, you know what? I'm above my swing area, and I'm even lowering my stop. I'm not worried at all. Even if it gets stopped out, doesn't matter. And it starts, hanging out here for quite a while. Yeah, we all love our trades to just jump right to the target. Unfortunately, that doesn't happen. You have to have patience. And that's the biggest lesson I've learned lately. And here it goes. You can see it's starting to move down. I'm always wondering, do I want to take 10 ticks? So there was another 20 tick winner. And by this time I'm up $700 on the day. Feeling pretty good. And I also took a trade on YM, Dow Futures. Got in here at 28.69. Turn that on, and that one worked out well. 20 ticks on there. Remember, the Dow is only $5 a tick instead of 10, but still, you know, it adds up pretty well. Okay, here's something else I took, and it didn't look like the greatest trade, to be honest, because we had dropped so much, and this is on crude oil. But after like several of these attempts, a lot of people know that I do something called the third time through, usually when we go through an area the third time. So I was in here, although it didn't look like the greatest trade, and I'm going to forward this a little. It started picking up some steam. And we can see it working its way through the 0-0 area. Again, another trade where I was just very patient. It took a long time. Okay, at that point I'm broken my stop to break even, and we hit our target. Okay, this is going forward a little bit to 11:20. We started getting a reversal on, I got greedy here. Look at this. I'm only a few ticks away from 20 ticks. Nice trade. Up pretty good. But it kind of rapidly falls back. Forwarding that a little. I'm gonna and I started not liking the way it was looking. This was the last swing, so I put my stop at break even. Oh. And definitely so that trade broke even. I could have taken 15 or 10, and I kind of played around. I wanted to be patient and all that, but overall a good day, and really like the improvements I'm seeing as far as really holding trades through some of these uncomfortable moments, and I think that's helping a lot.